Rising dramatically out of the clear blue waters of the Mediterranean, the islands of Malta, Gozo and Comino bridge the gulf between Europe and North Africa. From saints to grand masters, knights to modern tourists, their lure has attracted visitors of all descriptions for many centuries and can provide a wealth of history and archaeological heritage, as well as a hedonistic lifestyle of bars, nightclubs and beaches.